and it's very having fast the car and crashed over the truck. Oh no! Oh, and then it spitted off that water of gasoline. Then this droopy dog is so cool. It's dead end. Oh my, dead end. And it died in the hospital.
He's
Gonna win on the finish line. Droopy the dog. Yeah. You got it now! You did it, Droopy! You're so fantastic! I am so very excited to you, kiddo! Ooh!
What happened?
Oh no, he's hurting.
Oh, a ceiling.
And then in the ceiling, in the hospital clinic. And then he got the dollars. Woohoo!